India, a land of cultures, traditions, ancient sculptures, and myths. 70 years of birth has given us Indians a name on the global map, but a major portion of our heart still beats for the stories, myths, or truth which define our centuries old traditions and cultures. Ganesha, or truth, or a fiction. The world has changed today, and with the fast paced changing world, a new breed of beings have inhabited the world atheists. We have been worshipping Ganesha and celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi for more than a century. But how it all started? The most well known story is probably the one taken from Shiva Purana. Is it real or is it a story? If it is a story, does it make it unreal? But the main question is, does it actually matter? Lord Ganesha stands for knowledge, wisdom, creativity, and innovation among many other things. Anyone who likes to have these qualities concentrates on Lord Ganesha. It really doesn't matter if any god exists. What matters is what they did and what they showed us. They helped our mind to grasp the abstract concepts that are behind their characters and stories. But what do we end up doing? Worshipping an idol of Ganesha, bringing him home, bestowing him our undivided attention, praying day and night, and then throwing him in the water, or as we like to call it, Visarjan. How selfish of us bringing Ganesha home and then dumping him after few days so that our misfortunes or bad lucks are washed away and our homes are filled with prosperity. Is Ganesha, the mighty Ganesha, only a device to wash away our bad luck? Is Ganesha only a tool to bring good luck for us? Or is it just a clever money sucking scam by big and powerful people and the common people are just being whitewashed? It's upon you to decide and decipher the true meaning of Ganesha and why the enriching festival was celebrated in the first place. Lastly, Ganesha and the nature surely doesn't deserve this inhuman treatment in the name of worship. We are not against the belief of people in Ganesha, nor we detest the age-old traditions. We just want the festival to be rid of the political gains and the environmental loss or flora and fauna. And lastly, if Ganesha was truly alive today, he would also ask his followers to give up the idol worship and just let him truly reside in our hearts.